Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can enable the developer options at the Redmi 10 Prime. Okay, for that we will need the settings for. So just swipe here on the second page and then you will find here the symbol, the app for the settings. So if you have organized the phone already, maybe it's on another position, but you need to have a look for that app here, settings. Okay, so tap it. And now we will need the very first point here, about phone. So, and here we will need the MIUI version number. And you have to tap that MIUI version number now for 7 times. Below you can see already this countdown. And then you are a developer here for the phone. Okay, now just go back one step so that you're back in the general settings. And now you need to scroll down to the point additional settings. So tap it. So, and now at the end of the list, we will see here the developer options. Okay, and now we can do the stuff you wanted to do, maybe to enable the stay awake mode or the USB debugging or all the other stuff you may need. And yeah, if you're ready with, you can also disable the developer options here at the top, like this. And yeah, if you go back, you can still see them, but it's just about the software. So if I go back again and enter the additional settings again, they are disappeared. Yeah, but if you want to have them back, you can just tap 7 times on the MIUI version number as I have shown you before in that video. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe you can give me a nice comment below or give me something up. That would be very, very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos. If you're interested or maybe just subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.